2 years ago, we founded Warobe Education Foundation to give opportunity to thousands of children in northern Uganda to dream, to explore science, technology, engineering, arts, and innovation, to develop the skill sets that they need to thrive in today's dynamic world. Our conviction is that these children are the hope for the future. They are the innovators, the entrepreneurs, and the leaders that we need to transform our society from the challenges that we face. Warobe means a better world, and that is exactly what we aim to create.
With inspiration from toy making and play, using recycled materials from our communities, we have developed the Warobe learning approach, a play-based learning model where children's creativity and imagination transform everyday materials into something extraordinary. Recycled wires become toy cars. Cardboards, boxes are transformed into houses, spaceships, or other toys of interest. Cans are transformed into blenders. And these children do this while exploring science, technology, arts, mathematics, and innovation. Since 2023, we have impacted over 350 learners with 35 developing innovative projects using recycled materials and everyday tools. These children are not only playing, they are learning, they are inventing and building their own future.
We desire to amplify this impact together with you so that we can reach more children. And we have two major opportunities. First is to expand the production of our learning kits. So far, we have developed educational toys and tested the sales, earning over £100. However, we still face challenge in high production costs and low quality. With the right resources, we can improve on the quality, lower production costs, and mass produce and distribute this in schools and learning centers across northern Uganda. The second opportunity is to support our young innovators. Out of the 350 learners that we have mentored, 35 of them have already developed innovative products. With the right resources and technology, we can transform these innovations into actual solutions that meets community need.
To consolidate this opportunity, we seek your support to acquire a CNC machine and a 3D printer to help produce premium learning kits and educational toys inspired by local play culture. We seek resources to mentor 50 young innovators, helping them develop their prototypes into actual innovations and solutions. And we seek support for our annual Toy and Innovation Festival, which exposes over 500 learners to science, technology, art, and innovation. Your contribution is not just a donation, it is an investment in innovation and community-driven ingenuity. Together we can empower children in underserved communities and give them a fair shot at success.
May the abundance of the universe flow through